Good day. Assalamualaikum. I am Angel Niti Sumalino, 19 years of age, and I live in RH13, Porok, Pagkakaisa, Cotabato City. I am from the Department of College of Business and Public Administration, and my course is Business Administration, major in Human Resources Management. So today, I'm gonna be answering the questions that you given to us. Number 1. What is administrative office management? Managing administrative offices involves overseeing tasks like maintaining equipment, managing supplies, and optimizing space to ensure efficient operations. Key responsibilities includes resource management, staff supervision, policy implementation, and integrating technology. Effective management enhances organizational efficiency, productivity, and success by achieving business objectives, boosting morale, and reducing costs. Competent administrative managers are crucial for organizational prosperity. Number 2. What is the main function of administrative management? Administrative management plays a critical role in enhancing organizational effectiveness through planning, organizing, directing, and controlling office work to increase productivity. Key tasks include managing resources, supervising personnel, implementing policies, and integrating technology. This fosters smooth operations, supports business objectives, and minimizes expenses. The next is number 3. What is the difference between primary reference sources and secondary references sources? Primary sources provide first-hand information or evidence of events, while secondary sources analyze and interpret primary materials to offer context and insight to researchers. Grasping this distinction is essential for assessing information and forming well-informed conclusion in research. Number 4, assume that you are the head of the administration. How will you manage the office to be said as the best office with the best management? Elaborate your answer. In a leadership role within administration, prioritizing transparent communication, efficient workflows, and nurturing work environments is crucial. Establishing regular feedback channels, fostering collaborative culture, and offering comprehensive training are key. Additionally, ensuring transparent decision-making process and acknowledging and rewarding employee contribution are vital for achieving optimal office management. And the last question is number 5. What are the common issues or problems in administrative office management? Elaborate your answer by stating on what is lacking on the certain issue or problem. Common challenges in administrative office management often arise from inadequate communication, unclear role definitions, and insufficient training. Poor coordination between departments, outdated technology, and ineffective delegation can also impede productivity. Resolving this issue requires implementing clear communication channels, defining job roles, investing in staff development, and updating technological infrastructure to efficiently smoother operations and improve management. So that's all. Thank you.